Welcome to this tutorial about the drawing area in Allplan. I will show you how to get the full functionality out of every viewport in the next couple of minutes. First of all, you can see I downloaded the Quick Start project from the Allplan campus website and opened up unit number 9. Currently, I'm in plan view. You can double check if you are in plan view, also down here with the view flyout. If you want to change from plan view to an elevation view, you can just do this by clicking. You can change the view type on the right side. You can choose between wireframe, hidden, animation, sketch, RT renderer, or even can create new ones. If you want to switch over to an isometric view, just go back to the view flyout and click one of those corners. For free navigation, activate the navigation mode. Now you can orbit around the building by a simple left click and moving the mouse. You can zoom in and out with your scrolling wheel, and if you ever zoomed out too far, you can zoom in to all by either pressing this button, hitting F5, or double-clicking your scroll wheel. If you would like to save one of your views, simply go to Save and Load View and create a new view. After rotating around and creating another view, you can simply load the old view and switch back and forth. You can also restore your previous view with this button here. If you want to enable a perspective view, you can do that by entering the 3D view options. You can also change the eye and the target point, which helps you moving around the building. You can also open multiple viewports at the same time over the menu windows. You have multiple presets, but you can also define them yourself. Those viewports can be connected or detached from each other. So if you detach them from each other, you can drag and drop them wherever you would like, even on a second screen. If you then connect them back together, you can also just switch them out via drag and drop. You also can decide if you want to have them to the left or to the right. And with a simple double click on the title, you will make this viewport your full-size viewport. Double left click again, and you will minimize it again. If you have section cuts, like here section cut B and A in your model, you can use them to simply cut through your model and view it in a viewport. You find this option down here as a section display. Now you can freely rotate around the section A. To turn it off again, simply use the button Switch Section Off. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you to get started with Allplan. For more training material, visit campus.allplan.com.